Welcome back to the QSUpali YouTube channel. I hope you have learned something from my previous videos. I wish to continue with this video to discuss pricing information of Bill of Quantities Part 2, which comes in separate divisions and different trades, but not is limited to the following: 1. Demolitions, 2. Dewatering, 3. Piling, 4. Earthworks, 5. Concrete work, 6. Waterproofing, 7. Block work, 8. Roofing, 9. Carpentry and joinery, 10. Metal work, 11. Finishes, 12. Painting, 13. Services, 14. External works, 15. Day works, 16. Soil investigation. 1. Demolition. After inspection of the site, a demolition plan methodology is to be prepared. This outlines the scope, which includes location, key personnel and their responsibilities, type, size, height and time frame to complete the work of the structure. The straightforward demolition requires machinery outfitted with increased power and pressure. The tear-down building will cart away with dump trucks to a dumping yard. Time work frame may vary. Actual working results according to the quality of the structure, material, conditions at the work site, haulage of the broken material, skills of the operator, etc. The productivity listed below example is for general estimation purposes only and must not be used to guarantee any end-figure cost of demolition. Demolition machinery. Hammer 3150 kg 345 C Excavator RC structure equals 81.25 meter cube per 1 hour. Diesel consumption is 32 liters per hour. 1 operator. Hauling debris machinery. Shovel truck with dipper capacity of 9 cubic meter. Loads and unloads debris into dump truck 112 meter cube per hour. Diesel consumption is 92 liters per hour. 1 operator. Dump truck of 30 ton gross weight can load 14 cubic meter debris per trip. Diesel consumption is 3 km per 1 liter. The manual demolition includes hand tools such as jackhammers, sledgehammers and picks. Jackhammers manual 1750 watt slow cutting. Reinforced concrete slab 150 mm and 300 mm thick, 9.1 hours per 1 cubic meter. Reinforced concrete columns 9 hours per 1 cubic meter. Reinforced concrete beams 3.7 hours per 1 cubic meter. Reinforced concrete walls 5.6 hours per 1 cubic meter. Block machinery 2.4 hours per 1 cubic meter. The following is to be considered for the pricing of demolition work. All workers in demolition work must have appropriate experience and wear personal protective equipment PPE. Where scaffolding is used, rate to include for erecting to the full height of the structure. Scaffolding should be closely boarded and approximately 1 meter wide, placed adjacent to the face of the structure at the working level. All lateral services, including underground services not required in the demolition process, should be accounted for, disconnected, capped or diverted outside the building. Security is to be itemized in the way implemented to protect workers and neighbors from falling objects. Areas where the above objects are to be lowered, named exclusion areas, and safety features, warning devices, guarding barriers, etc. should be listed. Debris should be progressively removed from floor to floor and enclosed with a chute shaft, lift shaft or crane for safe lowering. The capacity of the crane should be 1.5 times the assessed load to be lowered. The rate to include demolition work is as follows. Direct cost, permits, insurance, transport, security, HSC, utility disconnection, supervision, testing and environmental requirements, detour, barricading, mobilization, landfill, site grading and demobilization. The cost of the volume of material to be demolished, concrete, blockwork and roof. The cost of production, labor, equipment, disposal. Salvage credit, market value of salvage and scrap material that may become contractor property can be used to reduce the cost of demolition work. 2. Dewatering. The system of dewatering depends on the type of soil and its permeability, the depth of the groundwater level and the distance of discharge. The dewatering type refers to techniques such as well point, deep well, bypass and flood control. The most effective and used systems are the well point and deep well systems. Well point system. This method is cheap, flexible and effective under most soil and hydraulic conditions. This system is used in both small and large sites. A series of riser pipes of average size 50 mm to 150 mm diameter are drilled into the ground close to the excavation area and below the water table at the maximum depth of 5 to 6 meters. The spacing between riser pipes is not more than 1 to 3 meter centers. Horizontally laid pipes of average diameter 150 mm 250 mm with centrally connected suction pumps are connected to riser pipes. The riser pipe and header pipes are connected to a flexible swing joint pipe with a regular valve to adjust the flow of water. The water is connected to a holding tank and a 250 mm diameter discharge pipe is used to drain out the discharge point. The pipes used in the system are regarded as disposable. Therefore, the cost of pipe is considered a one-time use only. The suction pumps abstract groundwater and lowered the water level by about 6 meters. For deep excavation, the well point system can be installed in stages by reducing the water level by up to 5 meters and a second stage lowering further. However, installing in an area with hard clay, gravel or stone is difficult. Rate to include for well point system equals number of well points plus cost of header pipes plus cost of riser pipes plus cost of swing joints plus number of pumps, one duty and one standby, plus holding tank plus discharge pipe plus labor for installation. One skilled labor plus 8 unskilled labor plus 1 operator can complete 110 meter length of header pipe including digging riser pipes in 1 day. Deep well system. Deep well system is used to remove the water from sand and rock formations below the excavation as well as to remove artesian pressure from the ground area of the site. Installing this system, a large amount of groundwater can be discharged. The deep well system can drain out groundwater up to about 24 meter deep. The capacity of the pumps and the number of pumps, depth and spacing will be varied depending on the site conditions. A series of screen pipes of average size 100 mm to 150 mm diameter are driven into the ground periphery of the excavation area and below the water table. This system makes more easier to carry out excavation work free from the burden of the equipment used for dewatering work. The driven depth may vary from 2 meter to 90 meter depending on the water bed level. Water will be discharged by turbines or submersible pumps. Spacing between pipe is 10 meter to 30 meter centers. The deepening of the well may create a drawdown in the area and precautionary measures to be taken to prevent a kind of settlement could be happen. Services for failure may take a long time due to the depth of the deep well. Generally, dewatering system is designed and constructed by dewatering contractors based on the geotechnical report and site conditions. The main contractor is to decide the period of the dewatering system required based on the completion time of substructure work. Usually, the dewatering contractor's price includes a one-time cost for the mobilization and demobilization of machinery and a periodical price of operational cost. Therefore, the cost for the deep well dewatering system is equal contractor's periodical operational cost in line with the required dewatering period plus one-time machinery mobilization and demobilization cost. Thank you. Please wait for my next video for the continuation of the discussion on the pricing information of Bill of Quantities Part 2. I am pleased if you are motivated by the desire to explore the value of the field necessity that would contribute to the construction industry. Please refer to the description box below for the written description of this video clip. With a positive attitude and a growth mindset, keep moving forward and explore the field. I will see you in the next video. If you are inspired and learned something from this video, please click like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell button to receive my upcoming videos and share with others too.